Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, July 29th. We continue reading from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Agitations of the Dark. Just how do we deal with agitations of the dark? How do we make our way through the tangle of being confused or sad or blocked and understanding a way to tomorrow? It seems natural enough to treat our problems like an overgrown path and go hacking our way through, doing small violence to ourselves. There is an insight from an ancient Chinese text called The Secret of the Golden Flower that reads, "When the dark is at rest, the light begins to move. When the dark is at rest, the light begins to move." It implies that agitation itself is dark, that only when we keep our hands off will there be room for light. How many times have I examined and re-examined the words of another in my mind, growing dark vibes by going over and over what was said? What could it mean? What could all that wasn't said mean? What must I do now in response or in non-response? And the thought weeds grow, blocking the light. I laugh when I think of how many hours I have spent in my life weaving storylines that never came true until, like weeds, they covered my heart. It is as if the light, in infinite patience, won't force itself into our heart. No, it seems to wait and wait for us to open, content to fill whatever small space we clear in ourselves. It seems that agitations of the dark always cover over. For myself, I worked for years covering over sore lesions of esteem with agitations of accomplishment, till my heart was covered over with a thicket of achievements. Only when I put the achievements aside did the light begin to move. Only then did the universal warmth reach my sore center. Only when I let the dark energies rest did I begin to heal. Oh my goodness, this is so true. So let's do a little practice around that. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to change about your breathing. Just like there is nothing you need to change about this moment and about yourself. Whatever is happening is enough. However you feel, whatever you do, it's all enough. See if this reminder helps you open up to a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, a sense of freedom in your whole being, so that all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now consider something that you are kind of fixated on, something you keep re-examining in your mind. Breathing softly and naturally, see if you can simply stop thinking about it. You may be able to do it by redirecting your focus gently onto your body and all the sensations in your body at this moment. It may be especially helpful to bring your attention first into your feet. We do this so that the attention goes as far away from your head as possible. So gently scan your body from your feet up and see if that helps you stop thinking about the something that occupies your mind. When you're done with your scan, imagine your dark thoughts about this thing you're fixating on as rain clouds, dark, thick. And imagine your breath as wind. Let your breath part the clouds of dark thoughts, allowing the light of simply being to reach your source center that wants to be acknowledged, that wants to be held. Let the light in by opening up the space. And spend a few moments in this space, a few more healing moments, parting the dark clouds of your thoughts with your breath, letting the light of being to reach your source center. Now place your hands on your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for your discipline, dedication, with gratitude for being here, for doing this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now gently start letting go of your practice and scan your body, noticing what's happening for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Remember, the light can begin to move in only when the dark is at rest. So see if you can rest your dark thoughts and open up to the light of simply being. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.